Yes, brothers and sisters. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty, Emperor Haile Selassie the First, and all things that's good and wonderful amongst us. You see, once I welcome our viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make way up grow the platform. See? So, more than anything else, I don't know, I don't have the skills yet for review tune and songs and them thing like, see? So, when I come across a nice song, you don't know, more time I have to just pass it, cause you don't, I don't know how it works, but as soon as you put up even a line or a man tune, you get copyright claims and them things, even when it have to do for the benefit of the artist. Well, it set before even the artist have anything to do with it. So we not blame nobody or bite up on nobody, see. But I say that to say this. I've got no copyright. I've got no copyrights for the song I'm about to play. See it, and all rights goes to Vybz Kartel, Vybz Kartel Radio. See, well, I have played a tune here, and like I say, me just like a content mode and a content zone. I'm just go and play the tune over and over, and pick up on certain. They indicate message in it and things like that, and we discuss them time after time. It might be boring to some people and things like that or something like that. But again, you don't know over time when I deal with Vybz Kartel, I'm try to deal with him with a certain measure because I know Vybz Kartel potential. Vybz Kartel far more powerful than me. Vybz Kartel was doing what I am doing. Far more effective. See, not that I want him come do me, but even from film standpoint as well, him can make a little input where I gotta be far more effective than I am as well. Enough other man out there. So we ask for that, cause like we say, all hands on deck, and we have to respect the potential of Vybz Kartel. Like me always try to inspire the youth them. Respect even the abilities of your adversaries, because if not, you already lost the fight. Not that I'm saying Vybz Kartel is an adversary, but me I talk too much now. We play the tune and we listen it and we play it and we discuss it here and there, now and then, and I could get tonight. See? Man called Addy, the daddy. See? The guy that give me advert. See? Yeah. Vybz Kartel himself, people. See? So, be prepared for the magic of none other than a DJ Palmer. Open the can hear it. Cause I'm some don't know over me, I don't just a try. Turn me and make fashion. No, I have to stop it. Right, that's one. Yeah, man, I do review, but I wonder if people don't can hear it though. See, but here what go on. Yo, that first line there alone settle all argument. Everything when we just explained a while ago has been validated there. Your general set goals make messy of it. Observe. See it. Yeah, you cannot dip in your pocket every minute and spend. And why you declare upon your pocket, Rasta? You don't love your pocket. Your pocket love have things in it. See every minute you take it out and again. Your pocket are enemy, Rasta. See. Yes, general. Yeah, man. See lyrics. Yeah, that love. See it? 30 grand for your clocks. As you put it on. And even not just clocks. See it? Certain expense. It come like it's a pick me up. That is not pick me up. It just it just dead right there. So it's not investment. See it? And a big speech them there. See it? Hey, Vybz Kartel. Enough respect, sir. You don't know. I don't think I can play out this song right through like I would have wanted, but make a go on. See if I can make the people them feel comfortable. But again, I am very impressed. I'm weird. I'm chuffed. These are the things that we're talking about. So again, the man have to do them little commercial thing here and there but set some legacy. See it? Cause them tune I play for years are coming. See it? No, I found out claim I go that one day for somebody thump me in my face. Gee man. Mosquito bite me. Yeah, a legacy them have to come and them yeah. A lyrics when youth them I go aspire for right off. Because them tune a years to come them still are gonna be relevant and I play the same way. You know see, remember when Ninja Man did tune and said, nah I'm gonna love it? Yeah, no, enough big people know the impact of that one. But I could continue still, sorry. And when for more recent people when Bounty Killer did the tune we say book, I could go in it. So that's what nobody wants to say. Like, yo, I want to every day I work for now. I enjoy myself to the Rasta. If you don't want to watch me, so I understand. Today, Rasta, I relax and I listen to some poetry, Rasta. I listen to somebody talk some of the things that I try to be this articulate about. Yo, you know, I feel like the man, you know. No, I feel like it. No, you know, nobody now demand that. You see, but you see, now if we move forward, we have to love logics. We have to face truth and... Whoa! Yo, Vybz Kartel. Yeah, you know what? Free world boss, you know. Free world boss. You know, see? Free world boss. World boss, yeah. Don't chat. Nah, take back that. You really need so much clothes. Them are my concern. Them are my investment. Them are... Yeah! Listen to it. You know what there? It name reality. No, it name really sorry to say before. It name really. Seeing? It name really and it depends on Vybz Kartel Viva channel. You can go over there and go watch it right now. Enough up the streams. Enough up the streams. You see it? How long now it released? I think the 1st of December, 2 days ago. And they have 250,000 views already. Go over there, go knock it up. Them thing you for promote. Them thing. That man there say it's our Prime Minister, our leaders, them. Yeah. Them we ostracize Vybz Kartel as much as them want. Ostracize Vybz Kartel as much as them want. See? He's a convicted criminal according to the books. See? So there is no more greater, you know, there's no greater model to be a deterrent for the youth them. Now, because of the disagreement between with the conviction, because even I not observe, not embrace the professionalism within the that too shaky. The whole conviction. That way too shaky for me there. So I say, yeah, Babylon have Vybz Kartel. Most people hopefully wish that. You see, what if I think that for concern. So even with that, yeah, have him convicted and things like that, you're not going to expect him to be in agreement with Babylon and want to do any favors to them. So we're not expect Babylon to step to him and ask him to do favors like these. Even though strong possibilities there, stronger possibilities there, you would have done it. You know, see, out of just moral, you know. But when them drop gems like these, politicians them should take the advantage for run with them, yeah, and push them in the face of the youth and stuff. This is so no idol and that him really appreciate them things that way I say, so I really I think, yeah. You know, see, and push them type of song, yeah, regardless if Cartel want to make a money or nothing. So me I always pre them people and sister them now create enough basis, enough foundation, enough source. You know? Because you have to be creative in them sense there, you know, for motivate the youth them, for deter the youth them, for mold the youth them in the future. You understand? For pursue a certain path, Rasta. You know, see, we can't just not try nothing. You know, see, them your ammunition. Like Vybz Kartel, hate a DJ Palmer, hate whatever. The fact is, them tune ya well, very well versatile and ready for do some healing. You know, see it. You know, see it. I want to, them guy and I mean, you know, good. Wish we were the station should have, not for the fact so well, and want we rate Vybz Kartel and we want make Vybz Kartel name food. But the psychological impact of this side of Vybz Kartel upon the society today. But they can't tell me nothing. Done so me I say. Yo, and some parents will claim so they mean them children well. To buy them, pity them tune, yeah. And force it on upon them to listen. Play them song around the house, around the children them. You know, see it? Some motherless, some fatherless youth and all them thing the Rasta. Come on, man. You know, see, we need, the future need help, man. We can't leave it like this, Rasta. You know, see it? And you know, see, we give thanks to Vybz Kartel effort. We're not telling no lies. A stellar move. And make up content play because we don't want to long out the thing. Share it. Share it. Go feed it and buy it and share it. Support the thing. See? Because it's a very good effort. Hold on, no pick me, I gonna love that tune. the lyrics are gonna benefit the whole of no picnic. No disrespect. You know see. Yeah, I get the point. I don't get the point. I man get it really deep and I man love it. See, but what I man want to say, you know, no for no I rather do some like a cheap soundbite, catchphrase type thing like man I look friend from Vybz Kartel. What are the possibilities of that for real? Really? You know, see, don't bother with the triviality. So please, let's be rational. Let's be objective with the approach us that how we deal with this thing. Like we find some strategy. We have to come up with something. At least I have an idea, Rasta. You know, see, and I man I say, this is a wealth of knowledge, a wealth of skills, and a very big advantage for I and I if we embrace it and try dig more out of Vybz Kartel like this. Rasta. I wanna talk about man. No disrespect. You know, see, you know I man leave it there so I know to catch the gist. I don't want to draw out too far. Share, like, and subscribe. Make the youth them hear the tune here. Just to make them picnic them hear the tune and a Rasta. This is not about cartel. And I give thanks. Rastafari.